Hi everyone, and welcome to the last video for our Beginner Scratch tutorial series. In this video, we'll be getting our sprites to say something. If you click on the Look section, you'll be able to see all these new blocks. So let's check out the first one. Say hello for 2 seconds. So what happens if we put that in here, and then click the green flag? Right, you can see that our cat doesn't start moving immediately, but says hello for 2 seconds before he starts to move. We can change what our cat says by typing something in here. As you can see, whatever you type in here appears in the speech bubble that appears over our cat's head. If we didn't want to wait for the cat to finish saying bye before moving, we can always use this second block over here. You can see that there is now no waiting time and our cat keeps saying hello as he moves along. The thinking blocks are similar. Instead of a speech bubble, there will be a thought bubble. So let's try it with the dog. Let's add this thinking block over here and see what happens. Right, that's cool. So, now our actors know how to move, make sounds, and say stuff. I'll introduce 2 more blocks here, the show and hide blocks. Not every scene in the movie needs all the actors to be there. Imagine how crowded the stage would be. Similarly, we can use the show and hide blocks to make the sprites disappear and appear when we want them to. So here's a little demonstration. I've set the script so that the ball will wait for 1 second, hide itself, wait for 1 second more, and then show itself again. So let's see what happens. As you can see, our ball disappears and then appears again. So it works. By building up chains of commands and adding loops and controls, we can make our programs do more complicated but also more interesting things. So why don't you explore the little project that we've made so far and see what else you want to do with it. When you're ready, you can take up a challenge to create a dancing animation and prove to everyone that you're no longer a beginner or newbie at Scratch and programming. You can find more details of the challenge in our next video. Meanwhile, thanks everyone for following along in this series.